Cursive Writing, Writing Skills 4.1.2 Begin to use cursive writing in a limited range of written work. Special thanks to buku teks Bahasa Melayu tahun 3, page 4 for the tutorial of cursive writing. Without further ado, let's watch the cursive writing for small letters. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's write. Now let's watch cursive writing for capital letters.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Let's practice writing. Write in your book. My learning diary. To start your learning diary, you need a pencil and a writing book. Write the day and the date, in cursive writing of course. Reflect back of the new words that you have learned previously. Ugly, pretty, blonde hair, has got, have got, and so on. What are the activities that you enjoyed the most? For example, you enjoy the activity when you are writing about Elsa. Write the skill that you did well in. For example, listening. What about the skill that you need to do better in? Maybe you need to improve in your writing skill. Lastly, write something that you feel proud of your English. For example, I can use has got and have got correctly. Practice makes perfect. Keep writing. You are given 3 days to complete your learning diaries. After 3 days, snap the photo of your learning diaries and send to your teacher. That's all the lesson for today. Thank you subscribers who had already subscribed to my channel. Who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and activate the bell. See you in the next video. Goodbye.